Do you love video games? Have you ever dreamed of making money doing what you enjoy? You can. Many gamers are turning their passion into profit without spending any money up front. This essay will explore the exciting world of earning money through gaming, all with zero investment. Get ready to level up your knowledge and discover the potential to earn real money from the comfort of your gaming chair. We'll delve into various methods, provide practical tips, and equip you with the knowledge to embark on your exciting journey as a gaming entrepreneur. This is your chance to transform your hobby into a rewarding venture. Get ready to unlock the secrets to financial success in the ever-evolving world of gaming. Let's dive in. Starting your gaming money-making journey without any upfront investment is incredibly appealing. Firstly, it eliminates financial risk. You can dip your toes into the waters of gaming entrepreneurship without worrying about losing your hard-earned cash. This approach is perfect for young people, students, or anyone on a tight budget. It allows you to explore different avenues and discover what you enjoy without any pressure. It's a fantastic way to learn, experiment, and find your niche in the exciting world of gaming. Remember, starting free doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Many free tools and resources are available to help you create excellent content and build a solid online presence. So, embrace the opportunity to start small, learn as you go, and gradually grow your gaming empire. Now, let's explore the exciting methods to make money from gaming without spending a dime. Live streaming. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube. Gaming allow you to share your gameplay live with the world. Engage with your audience, build a community, and earn through subscriptions, donations, and ad revenue. Esports tournaments. Many free esports tournaments offer prize money or in-game rewards. Showcase your skills, compete against other talented players, and potentially earn recognition and rewards. Content creation. Share your gaming knowledge, create tutorials, review games, or produce entertaining gaming-related videos on platforms like YouTube. High-quality content can attract viewers, subscribers, and potential sponsorships. Marketplace and item sales. Some games allow you to sell in-game items or virtual goods for real money. If you excel at a game or have rare items, this can be a lucrative way to monetize your gaming skills. Affiliate marketing. Partner with gaming companies, promote their products or services, and earn a commission on sales made through your unique referral links. Starting with live streaming or content creation doesn't require expensive equipment. Your existing computer or smartphone is a great starting point. For streaming, OBS Studio is a popular and free screen recording and streaming software. For video editing, consider free options like DaVinci Resolve or Filmora. Remember, clear audio is crucial for engaging content. While a professional microphone is ideal, you can start with your headphones' built-in mic or an affordable external microphone. Focus on creating high-quality content, and as you grow, you can invest in better equipment to enhance your production further. Building a loyal audience is vital for success in the gaming world. Engage with your viewers or followers regularly. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community. Run contests, giveaways, or special events to attract new viewers and reward your loyal fans. Collaborate with other gamers or content creators to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Be yourself, be passionate, and let your personality shine through your content. Authenticity is key to building genuine connections with your audience. Remember, building a dedicated fan base takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Section 6. Content is king. Crafting high-quality content. Whether you're live streaming or creating videos, quality matters. Invest time in planning your content. What games will you play or feature? What unique perspective or value can you offer your audience? Edit your videos carefully to remove any dead air, mistakes, or irrelevant sections. Use engaging visuals, background music, and sound effects to enhance your content and make it more enjoyable to watch. Most importantly, be yourself. Let your personality shine through and have fun. Your passion and enthusiasm will be contagious and attract viewers who connect with your style. Section 7. Stay ahead of the game. Embracing the latest trends. The gaming world is constantly evolving, with new games, trends, and technologies emerging regularly. Stay updated with the latest gaming news, releases, and popular games to keep your content relevant and exciting. Don't be afraid to experiment with new games or genres. Diversifying your content can attract a broader audience and keep your content fresh. Embrace new technologies and platforms as they emerge. This could include trying out new streaming platforms, using the latest video editing software, or exploring virtual reality or augmented reality gaming. Section 8. Social media. Your gateway to a wider audience. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with fellow gamers, promoting your content, and growing your audience. Create dedicated accounts for your gaming persona on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Share behind-the-scenes content, interact with your followers, and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage in discussions, join gaming communities, and connect with other content creators to expand your network. Social media is all about building relationships and engaging with your community. Be active, be social, and use it as a platform to showcase your personality and passion for gaming. Section 9. Consistency is key. The road to long-term success. Consistency is crucial for building a successful presence in the gaming world. Establish a regular streaming schedule or content upload frequency that you can realistically maintain. Your audience will come to expect and appreciate your consistent presence. It shows dedication and helps you build a loyal following. Remember, building a successful gaming career takes time, effort, and perseverance. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay dedicated, keep creating high-quality content, engage with your audience, and the rewards will follow. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for gaming into a rewarding venture, take the leap and start your journey today. Remember, you don't need any upfront investment, just your passion, dedication, and a thirst for gaming adventure. Good luck, have fun, and game on.